70 71 76
74
तेरे माथे पे बिंदिया, तेरी आंखों में काजल, है तमन्ना हमें तुम्हें खुद हम सज।
Okay, so I'm going to tell about the government. Government is a person who manage the all work of a country, and by
you
that.
have to speak from E.
Okay, so now I'm going to speak about education. As we know that it is very important for every
Speak while
person.
moving. Why
Like
are you not speaking while moving?
education is very important, as we all know that like we.
Clap, 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 stop. You are not together. You have to stop together. Why are you not following this? Clap, 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 stop. What a nice. You have to maintain this time. You have to maintain this building activity. Okay. Clap, 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 stop. Clap, 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 jump. I said jump.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, sir. When you will speak, jump. Then you.
No, I will not do that. Okay. Jump. Jump. I said jump. Just try to follow. Okay. What I'm speaking. Clap, 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 clap. Stop. I said stop. Listen carefully what I am speaking. Okay. Clap, 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 clap. Jump. Are you together?
Yes.
Clap, 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 jump. Are you together? You are not together, yeah. You have to jump together, okay? Clap, 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 jump. Okay. Clap, 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 stop. I said stop, yeah. Okay. Clap, 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 stop. What a nice clap, 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 jump. Clap, 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 jump. Clap, 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 stop. I said stop. Follow this, okay? Clap, clap, clap. What a nice. Now it's last. Clap, 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 stop. I said stop. Just try to follow this, okay? Now speaking, guys. If I speak one, then you have to speak do. If I speak three, then you have to speak char. In English counting, okay? Okay. One, four, four. I said four, then you are speaking five. પાંચ. You have to speak five. પાંચ. सात. 15. 18. 20. 21. 22. 100. 5. 7. 10. 12. 15. 18. 50. 69. 69. हाँ 70. 71. 76.
74.
I said 76.
77.
77. Okay. 89. 90. I said 89. You have to speak 90. If I speak Hindi, then you have to speak in English. If I speak in English, then you have to speak in Hindi. 5. 6. 10.
11.
15.
16.
17.
18.
19.
20.
What a nice. Okay. 50. Okay. 50.
51.
23.
23, 27.
Where is your mind? Where is your mind, yaar? 89.
89, 90,
92.
93,
96.
97,
89.
89, 90.
92.
93.
73.
74,
74. 75.
76. 76.
76. Okay. 84.
85,
85. Now jump. Jump. I said jump. Jump together. Okay. Jump. 57. Speak.
अंठावन,
Okay. 90. 91. 45.
46.
46. Come here. 54.
54.
Speak like a girl.
46.
Speak like a girl. 54 बोला 46 कहाँ से आ जाएगा? 10 तक पीछे का अरे कैसे ब्लर निकल रहा है ये? What is this? पता नहीं? Okay. पता नहीं कि इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे? What a nice you are learning something. Okay. 83. What? 83.
84.
84. 45.
46.
46.
Yes.
Okay. Stand there. Jump. Clap. 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 Stop. I said stop. Clap. 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 Stop. I said stop. Okay. Yes. 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 You haven't jumped. It is good. Clap. 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 Stop. Guys, jump. Don't jump. Guys, don't jump. Okay. Don't jump. Jump. I said jump. Clap. 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 Stop. Stop. I said. Okay. Now speaking, guys. Okay. I will give one. You already know. Okay. What will I give? One alphabet letter. By that alphabet letter, what you will have to do?
We will speak about a new topic.
You will speak about any topic. You have to make one word by that alphabet letter, and you have to speak and you have to give lecture on that. Okay. So
How many minutes?
okay, you have to. I will speak. 30 seconds. Okay. Speak from G.
Okay, so I'm going to tell about the government. Government is a person who manages the all work of a country, and by that
You have to
a
speak while
country-
moving. You have to speak while moving. Otherwise, it is not good.
A government is a person who manage all a country, and in a country whatever work is done, that is done by the government, and government is very important for a country, and if government will not be present, then nothing will be done by means done perfectly, and without government means no one will follow any rule and nothing will be in a country. That's
Speak
all.
from C.
So now I am going to tell about culture. As we all know that in past time, in culture many things was happening. So
While moving.
that person was not getting many things, like as that person was not getting foods, clothes, many things they were not getting. And if I talk about Harappa culture, then on that time their father was Daran Sani, and it was happening in 1921.
Okay, so speak from E. Speak from E.
Okay, so now I'm going to speak about education. As we know that it is very important for every
Speak while
person.
moving.
Like,
Why not speaking while moving?
education is very important, as we all know that, like we go anywhere, so we use this, and for giving exam we also use education, like if you are reading, if you want to get education, so you will have to go in any you will have to take admission in any college, like if you go there, so you will read, you will collect the knowledge, and that will be called your education. And whatever
Speak
you don't know
from
about whatever you don't have the knowledge, like if you collect the knowledge, that will be called
I
your
would like to
education.
tell about
What a nice.
education.
What a nice. What a nice.
Education. So we know that education is very important for us. By
You
that,
have to speak about. You have to speak from A.
A.
Yes, not E.
So now I would like to tell about aeroplane. So
Yes,
aeroplane
aeroplane.
is very important for everyone. By that we are doing many things by the imports, export, and by the aeroplane we are if we want to go in urgent time anywhere, then we can go suddenly in less time. So by that we can we can
Speak from D. What a nice, what a nice. Speak
So
from
now,
D.
so now I'm going to tell about dog.
Dog. Yes.
Do you know dog is not a very important for us. When means dog is not very important for us. When dog is present is our home on that time. Anyone not come our home without any permission and without any reason. That's why dog is very important for us.
Okay. Speak from E.
So now I am going to tell about education.
Yes.
Education is very important for all person, and we should get education. By the education, we can be a success, and we,
Yes, yes, speak,
we
speak.
can get education, school, college, university, and university, and
From N. Yes, N. N. N.
Okay, so now I'm going to tell about news.
News.
The full form of news: north, east, west, south, and
Yes.
by the news we can see. In news we can see what is running in this time,
Yes.
and if and what all things are running, and if any uh, if any
If any,
accident- if any accident has done,
Yes.
then we can see it on news.
Okay, nice try. Now who can speak quote? सारी कौन बोल सकता है? Who can speak? Okay, you. First of all, speak.
Okay, so now I'm going to speak a quote. रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा. रख
Okay.
रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा. प्यासे के पास चलकर खुद समंदर भी आएगा.
Yes.
तो थक कर ना बैठ है मंजिल के मुसाफिर. मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मजा भी आएगा.
Yes. What a nice. Now who will speak? Yeah, you. Oh.
ओके कुछ बनना है तो समंदर बनो. कुछ बनना है तो समुंदर बनो. लोगों के पसीने छूटने चाहिए तुम्हारी औकात नापते ना.
Yes. What a nice. Now who will speak? Miss Shamdan. You should speak. I think. You can also sing a song. Yes. You can sing the song. While moving, while with the energy you have to sing. Okay.
Okay. So I would like to sing a song
Yes.
because sir has said to me,
Yes.
just sing a song.
Yes.
Okay, which song?
Hmm.
Which?
Which song? Any song.
तेरे माथे पे बिंदिया, तेरी आंखों में काजल, है तमन्ना हमें तुम्हें खुद हम सजाए. नहीं मुश्किल वफा, जरा देखो यहाँ, मेरी आंखों में बसता है तेरा जहां. कभी सुन तो जरा जो मैं कह ना सका, मेरी दुनिया तुम ही हो, तुम ही आसरा.
What a nice clap for him first of all. Okay, clap, 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 clap. Do subscribe. Everyone come together, come together, come together, come together. Speak. Okay, everyone speak.
Subscribe our channel.
Yes, yes, you have to speak. Yes, 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 yes.
Our channel name is
Yes,
Java Learning.
yes,
Try to
subscribe
subscribe.
our channel.